Hello and welcome to a Business Minute with Lily Lopez, presented by the South Florida Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. I'm here with Alvaro Molina with Florida Blue. That's my insurance. That's my health insurance
Thank you.
carrier.
Thank you for
So
having
yes,
us.
for years and years, for 20 years. So that's a plug here. It's a great company. I'm so honored always to work with you, to work with the team at Florida Blue, and it's just a great company that's right there, and it's so accessible to everybody, and I know that firsthand. So así que ya te digo eso de plano. Y Álvaro Molina es una persona y que vamos a hacer los dos idiomas porque es importante.
Claro.
Hacerlo bilingüe, que la persona, el público aprenda de todo lo que hay disponible para ellos y conmigo más con una persona tan reconocida y que sabe tanto como el señor Alberto Molina. So Alberto, tell me about now the open enrollment, what's happening with we have a short period now until when? Until
January 15th.
January 15th. Okay.
So it started on November 1st through January 15th, where people can sign up for their ACA or what we know as Obamacare.
Right, exactly. But what is the process? What do you all do? What message do you have for the community, for business owners who have family members? I mean, everybody has a sibling, someone from maybe who's from another country, who has lived here for 10 years, and now I know that the credits are not there, what they used to be called Obamacare. And so there's a lot of confusion, and so people don't know what's going to happen with that. When they get that bill, they say, oh, wait, now this is not as I thought it was, and they're low income, and the economy is not doing that well now. So what is your message to those customers, clients, if you will, that Florida Blue has that need those subsidies?
Thank you for asking that. That's such an important question because especially during this time when we think about how the cost of things have gone up in general.
Yes.
And another
inflation
in general. And then the cost of care in healthcare has gone up tremendously too. Utilization has gone up tremendously. So all of that attributes to what is happening right now. And as you mentioned, when you have a family of four who was maybe paying very little or nothing at all, at this point they're going to get a bill to show a large amount of money. I would tell them, don't worry. Just like Florida Blue has been here for 80 years in Florida,
right. Wow.
We're going to be here to walk you through the process. Please visit your licensed agent and come and speak to them so they can see where you're going to fit into. Not all the subsidies are going away. And we're going to decide, we're going to wait and see what the government decides as far as the rest. But for now, go speak to your agent so they can put you into the right plan at this point until you're able then to, at the end, see where you're going to be. But at this time, I would say the Florida Blue centers are wide open for them to come in, or any agent that is licensed to be able to speak about Florida Blue process.
And then you'll be able to work with them, basically. Florida Blue will be able to work with them, so it's not like a big shock when the bill comes, right?
You know, Lily, you mentioned something, right? We're part of our community. I've been here since 1979.
I know.
We live, we work here, we play here, we're friends here. And the fact is that we're not going anywhere. Whatever the process is, whatever it is, Florida Blue will be with you. We're not going to drop you. We're not going to do anything to hurt you.
And I know that for a fact. Florida Blue it's not just because my insurance, it's health insurance, it's just carrier, I'm sorry. I'm always thinking of insurance, health carrier, but it's a company that I know it's been there. And when you call, the customer service, they're reliable. And it's not a plug, guys, it's just the truth. And then after working with all of you, and the leadership of Florida Blue here in Miami, I've realized why that's like that, because the leadership, it starts from the top. Leadership starts from the top.
It starts from the top, absolutely.
And your concerns, and when we've hosted with Florida Blue, the career fairs, the health fairs, and just the enthusiasm and just the accessibility that Florida Blue provides, not only to us as a Hispanic chamber, as a minority chamber, but to the community, and how welcoming you are. I don't forget that. And I know people feel that when they go. That's why everybody just says, Florida Blue, and it's because of that. Because it's an open company that just has their service there and is open arms, willing to work with everybody. And that's something that I, at heart, appreciate and enjoy. So anything that we really need to emphasize and let our viewers know, and the public in general, and everybody on our social media platforms?
Our community, we're here. We're going to be here. We're going to stay here.
Exactly.
please reach out to us. Come to the center. You don't even have to be a Florida Blue member. You can come in and
you don't need an appointment either.
You don't need an appointment.
You say, I know Lily and I know Alvaro
You
now.
can come, you can do Zumba, you can do yoga, you can do
amazing.
so many things. It's really a community resource for anyone.
That is
so
that is
come to
something
the
amazing.
centers.
And it's in Doral, the city of Doral.
We have Doral, we have Hialeah, we have the
Hialeah.
Falls, we have many
Oh,
centers that they can.
many
We have
centers.
North Miami.
Okay.
Y para nuestra
sí,
comunidad
mira.
hispana, estamos aquí
importante.
desde hace 80 años.
80 años lleva Florida Blue sirviendo a nuestra comunidad, así que no se olviden cualquier pregunta que ustedes tengan en referencia a los créditos, en lo que le llaman Obamacare, que sabemos que en estos momentos no tenemos esos subsidios, pero Florida Blue está aquí para trabajar con usted. Llámelos, visite cualquiera de sus oficinas, que ellos van a buscar soluciones para que el gasto no sea tan alto para ustedes.
Correcto.
Así
Gracias.
que bueno, así Álvaro, gracias por estar en un minuto de negocio con Lily Lopez. And I'll see you all next week at the same time. And thanks for tuning in to another episode of A Business Minute with Lily Lopez.